Hi, this is our Jaibo board, and in this project, we have make it is now in configuration mode. So how we will know which mode it is from? We can see it from the terminal. So now we will check the status. And if I send, it will show our status. It is in mode 0. So if you want to change the mode from configuration mode to idle mode, we will press this button. So now we are in idle mode, and we can confirm it from the terminal also. So mode changes to 1, that means we are in idle mode. And if we press this button again, we will go to the modulating mode. Why the lights is not blinking? Because the voltage is 0. If we increase or decrease the voltage, it will work. See, we are increasing it a little bit by little bit. See, we are increasing the voltage, and the lights is also blinking. And if we want to check the configuration in we have to go back in the configuration mode again. So we back to the configuration mode, and by pressing this button, we will make the edit kp and ki value. So I will press this button and check in the terminal. So now it is editing ki. So we can increase or decrease the ki value by pressing these two buttons. So I will press this button. It is decreasing our ki value. So if we want to change the kp value now, so we can press this button again. And so now we are in editing kp mode, and we can increase or decrease the kp and ki value from here. So now we are decreasing our kp value, and if you want to increase it, so we can increase it our kp value. So now next thing is we will move to the modulating mode again. So we are now in the modulating mode changes to 2. So we can change the reference voltage from here. So if we want to change the reference voltage now, 1.5. so I'm by pressing this button, I'm decreasing the reference voltage. And if you want to increase the reference voltage, I will press this button, and I'm pressing this one button, and it is increasing the reference voltages. And now we can see we are in the modulating mode. We can change the mode from the terminal also. If we want to go to the configuration mode, we can write mode 0, and if we send it, so we will change mode set to configuration mode. And also we can check the semaphore also, because the semaphore lock is activated, and we have used binary lock. And we will check that now we are in configuration mode, and nothing will work, no button is working. So if we want to unlock this semaphore, we need to go to the modulating mode. So we will go to modulating mode, that means mode 2. So now configuration lock is not anymore. So we can check by changing the buttons also. So these buttons is also working. So we have seen how the buttons is working, how the PI is working, how the PWM LED is modulating, how we are giving command to the SDK terminal, and SDK terminal is sending to the board. This is all. Thank you.